On the home screen, the number of remaining doses indicator will blink when there are 5 doses or less remaining. After all the doses in the cartridge are used, open the cover, turn the cartridge counterclockwise to the left, remove it, and replace with a new one. Note, check the expiration date and the cartridge's integrity before use. Hold the cartridge with the window showing the remaining number of doses facing upward and insert it into the inhaler at a slight leftward angle. Press and rotate the cartridge to the right until it stops. Gently close the cartridge compartment lid. Note that the cartridge compartment lid will not close if it is not inserted correctly. Check whether the cartridge made a full turn, or remove it and try again. When the inhaler is not in use, attach the mouthpiece cover to keep it clean and functional. We hope you found this video useful and invite you to return to the instructional videos at any time. Our customer service center and dedicated nurses will be happy to assist you with any questions you might have. They can be reached by dialing *2064.